Easiest way to hide any kind of file into a photo. Make a folder on the desktop and move the file you want to hide into that folder. Now compress the folder as shown or use WinRAR. Rename it if you want. Move both the image and the zip file into that folder. Now open command prompt by pressing Windows Start key plus R and typing cmd and enter. Now navigate to that folder as shown in the video. And type the command shown. Replace the photo name and zip file name with your photo and zip file name. The output name should be the same as an image name. Now we have successfully hid your file. To extract the hidden content into that file, open the image with WinRAR and you can extract or view the hidden files.